Alright, Tony, say what's up to the vlog. What are we doing today?
Alright, what up, guys? So right here we have my headers for my 2006 Mitsubishi Eclipse GT. This is for my V6, obviously. And yeah, I got them ceramic coated, mostly because like it's like for performance wise, and then because like it like reduces the amount of heat stress they have inside the engine bay. So I decided to do it because might as well, because I don't want to take them back out and then like do them and then put them back in, so it's gonna be a bitch. So just decided to do them right now and then just install them. Yeah, it's gonna be a bitch though. Look at this. Look at this. Insane, bruh. Insane coating. Inside and out.
It really does look sick.
Alright, so let's get to it.
Alright, so far, we have the car jacked up real high. And we have to take off the passenger axle.
This allows us to like easily take off the stock rear manifold, which is like a bitch to do, because like there's no room for it to like come off. So some people just like to cut it.
If y'all don't know what we're changing, it's this. It's called they're called headers. In order to take these out, you gotta take off like half the engine, basically.
So first off, what we're gonna do is we took out the wheel, so we can take out the passenger front axle. And then for the front headers, these are actually pretty easy to take out and install. It's just 3 bolts to unbolt the heat shield for the header, and then we have to unscrew the 2 O2 sensors that this car has.
Alright, Tony, tell them what you just did.
Alright, so I just took out the heat shield from the 3 12mm bolts that were
Let me show you how it looks. Looks like that.
That were covering the header.
And there's 1, 2, 3. Alright, cool.
Bro, these headers look fucking disgusting. Look how nasty they look, bro.
Oh, you can't tell.
Oh, you can't?
Nah. You can kind of see it.
Yeah, the stock headers look so gross. Like, I don't know.
Alright, let me teach you what I was doing. So, that's how this looks right now. All apart. Alright, so I took this bolt off. That's for the axle. It goes in the middle. And this is a 32mm bolt. And then the ones that hold in the strut tower, these ones right here. And those are 24mm. So yeah, make sure you got those before you even start, because now you're gonna have a great time. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Tony looking cute as shit under the car.
Trying to take out the bottom O2 sensor. We already took out the top one.
Oh yeah, I'll show you real quick. Took out the top O2 sensor and on the forward header. That's what it looks like. And make sure there's a special socket for this. Make sure you get that. It makes life way easier. 10 out of 10 will recommend. Alright, get you guys updated later. Damn, bro, you think it's... Oh, fuck.
Back off me, bro. I'm about to fart.
Yeah, I like it. I'm just kidding. Anyways, Tony's unbolting the front headers over here. Pinche macizo. We took out the passenger axle, which is over here.
We're now gonna remove the stock Y pipe.
He's gonna start removing the front header and the stock Y pipe. I'll try to get a flashlight in there later to show you guys what it looks like. But this passenger axle, we got it out with that pry bar and someone pulling it on it from this side. So it helps to have a partner a lot. I mean, you probably can do it by yourself, but it helps a lot.
And you also need someone to press on the brake and everything, so you can like turn the wheel.
Oh yeah, you need someone to help press on the brake so you can take the axle nut off. But yeah, alright, let's get back to it.
Alright guys, so update on the header install on my Eclipse. We got the front header out. Yeah, we got the front header out. Can't really see because it's dark. Yup. So this is the old header. This is the other heat shield. All disgusting and shit. Like, And then Isaac took out the stock white pipe.
Alright.
Isaac, explain how you did that.
So I'm just kidding. So he took out 2 bolts here, which look like this. So they go up in like that. They're really hard. These are 14s. These are right here. Or actually, how does this go? Goes like that. Okay, yeah, these are 14s. These are 19s. And these are 14s also. And there's also this bracket right here. It's a 14.
Which is a bracket over here.
No, that's a different.
Oh yeah, that's the front header.
That's the bracket for the front header, which is connected right here. And I don't think if you're doing RRE headers, you don't have to reuse these. You kind of just, I don't know,
Toss them away.
Something.
Scrap metal.
Basically. And yeah, you're gonna reuse this though, since we're not replacing the stock white pipe.
So we're gonna reuse the stock white pipe, and also RRE sends you new gaskets. So these gaskets that come with the stock white pipe, you're gonna replace them with the gaskets that they give you. So,
and even if you're just, either way, you should replace them. Like if you're here, might as well replace them, because you don't want to do an exhaust leak later on.
and then for the front header, from over here, you're gonna reuse the same gasket, but I'm just gonna clean it up with a rag, just so like it looks better. And yeah, and then from now we're gonna remove the. So this is from the under.
Show kind of everything.
This is the under of the front header, and over here.
See, these are the 19mm bolts. The 14s go like right here, where the light pipe goes. Obviously it's not there, but it goes like around here. And then there's a bracket, this bracket right here for the back header. Take it off, and then we'll show you what to take off once we take all that off. But yeah.
Alright guys, so update. So according to the forums and personally RRE, they said that the rear stock manifold was like impossible to get to. But guess who got it out?
Hey, who calling? Oh yeah, RRE calling. Hey, we got it out, bro. Dude, I deserve a fucking medal for this.
Damn, bruh.
Hey, hold on. Oh yeah, we gotta be fast.
Look how ugly that thing is, bruh.
I think it does look ugly.
Oh yeah.
Fuck. So alright, let's tell them real quick what we did, because we haven't updated in a minute. Alright, so we took 3 on top, 4 on the bottom, EGR plug, O2 sensor, another O2 sensor, and then 2 bolts right here, and there's another pipe that comes exhaust. We took that pipe over there off.
Yeah, so we had to take one of the exhaust pipes out, so we can make room to like back this header out, so we can like twist it around. So basically, in order to take this out, there was like a lot of play in it. He had to literally like figure out a way to like. He was like rotating.
Get it upside down, and then you gotta basically. So it starts like this, and you basically gotta go like this. I basically went like this, like that, and then I
came
went
out
like that.
So you have to put you have to put it to the side.
Yeah, you have to put it upside down. So it starts off like this. Like, it starts off like this.
No, the other way. Show from the other way.
No, that's how it goes.
Well, from.
Yeah, that's how it goes. It goes like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't go like that. So it starts off like this, basically, in your car. And so you gotta twist it this way and flip it all the way around, and then push. This is gonna come out first, and then it's gonna come out like that or something like that. I don't know. You gotta.
It's basically a lot of rotating.
Yeah.
It's mostly a rotating.
You gotta. There's really no way of telling you. You just gotta do it.
So RRE gives you new bolts in case you strip them. Might as well just replace them. Gaskets, 2 gaskets, as well as 2 O2 sensors. Because without these, you're gonna get a check engine light. Yeah, if I stop dropping them.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna get ready to install these. We'll show you guys in a bit.
Alright guys, update. We just installed the headers. There's the front ones. Can't really see. And then the rear ones. So everything's all bolted up. The only thing left is the axle. And then from there, we're gonna lower it. We're gonna lower it and see how she sounds.
Alright. We think we got everything bolted up. Don't turn it on yet, Tony. Hold up. Got everything on. Strut bar back on. Front header, rear header, white pipe. All the pipes. O2 sensors. Axles back on. Alright, bro. Let's do it.
Yeah.
What do you mean? It sounded a little deeper.
It did. It did sound.
It sounds deeper back here.
Oh, it does, bruh.
Bro, I feel like it's gonna sound like a 350.
Just a little smoke, nothing. Something light.
Yeah, it's gonna be like that for a few days probably. Hey, don't be alarmed. You can barely see it in the video, but you see there's a little smoke. That's usually how it is when you when you do headers work like that, because all the grease and stuff. All right, bro. Rev it up a little, not all the way. Just a little sneak. Oh, bruh, no way.
Dude, that was at 3,000 RPM.
Oh, you might, bro. Sounds like you're gonna start popping. Fuck it, bro. Bro, it pops. Yeah. Now imagine with the 3-inch, once you go to the exhaust shop and get the 3-inch all the way. Fuck, bro.
That shit sounds fucking loud.
Sounds good.
Bro, just wait until next week. Dual exhaust coming soon, next week.
Oh yeah, you're going dual, huh?
Custom dual exhaust.
That was a little bit. That was almost 4. Sounds good, bro. Fuck. Alright, hey. Get us rich, bro.
Hey, we need that YouTube check real quick.
Yeah, fuck.
Cause look at, this is our garage right here. We're trying to get like one of those like 6-car garage and shit.
I know, 3 2-post lifts. Okay. Not using ghetto Harbor Freight jacks. Use fucking. Use lifts, fuck jacks.
For reals.
Use air tools. Oh, dude. Alright, guys, so we're about to go on the first test drive. See how this goes.
Got the thing right?
Wait, we'll connect it.
They're connected.
Alright, post for first pull. Bro, it feels good. It sounds hella good. Kinda like how it sounds right there. Fuck, bro, how you feel?
Dude, that's just pretty good.
Sounds good, bro. Sounds hella good.
I'm gonna start it.
Yeah. Oh, it sounds so good. No? Yeah. Just let it drive on it for a while. That's good. Holy shit, that's loud, nigga. Alright, that's good. We're gonna piss off the neighbors. Alright. This is where we're gonna end the video, guys. Make sure you like the tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. But yeah, she's done. She's ready. They're ceramic coated too, so if you get RRE headers, they're not gonna look like that.
And I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video, but RRE for 4G Eclipses are like the best headers you can run on these cars. Usually people run DNA and OBX, long tube headers, but honestly, like they throw engine codes, and with RRE, they honestly don't throw engine codes. The only reason I have an engine code right now is because we kind of soaked them, the oxygen O2 sensors with WD-40, so it's gonna throw a code. But honestly, these headers are honestly like the best headers for our cars.
All right, well, peace out. See you on the next one.
Going hard in the paint like the Marcus cousins. Yeah, I'm with my cousins. Yeah, we up